I got my new shoes today. So my ate brought me these new shoes. So I have one from Keds and other one from Fila. This is her Valentine's gift for us. Guys, so I got this slip-on shoes from Keds. It's color black, as you can see, of course, and then white. Ang ubos, it's size 7.5. So, dagko ang sizes sa Keds. So, Philippine size is 9 jud ko, but then surprisingly 7.5 ko sa Keds. So, this one, guys, cost around 3,000 something. So, wala siya naka-sale. That's how it looks like. On to the next one. So we have this Fila shoes. So trendy din siya, guys. So they have like different styles of colors, and then my ate also got one. So we varies from the colors, but my style is like this. So black siya sa front, and then here, but it has some kind of a maroon color surrounded sa kaning white niya nga baga siyag ka ng lapa-lapa, pero super light kaayo siya. So, it's good for gym, running, or rampahan lang. There you go. This one, it's around 4,000 plus. So, naka-sale ang Fila sa SM Downtown Premier, guys. 50% off. So, it's around 2,000 na lang siya.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!